Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 28th of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the upcoming expiry on the 2nd of August. So here we can see that the max OI levels are the same, so that's a neutral signal. Quantity is higher for PE, that's positive. The change is higher for CE, that's negative. That's negative. The short squeeze is higher for PE, that's negative. The PCR is still way overbought, that's negative. Implied and historical volatility are both higher, that's two negatives. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's still positive. ADX is lower, that should be negative. Let me change that real quick. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's still negative, that's positive. VWAP is lower, pivot points are lower, and candlestick is bearish, that's three negatives. Overall, the support and resistances are the same, and the option chain predicts that the S&P 500 should go down in the next week. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.